In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot support effectively. For those of you getting started with HubSpot, or if you've hit a snag and need some help, the support function can be a lifesaver. So let's dive right in and explore how you can access and utilize this feature to keep your business running smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by typing hubspot.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see HubSpot's familiar interface, inviting you to enhance your business with their various tools and software. It's a solid resource that will centralize your operations, so it's great that you're taking the time to learn how to utilize everything HubSpot has to offer. Next, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Just look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the sign in page. Enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your account, then click to log in. If you haven't signed up yet, this is also where you can create a new account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. Now that you're in the HubSpot home portal, look around and get familiar with the dashboard. It's here that you manage your operations, check metrics, and integrate various services into your business. But for today, our focus is solely on getting support. Look towards the top corner of the screen for a small inconspicuous question mark icon. This is your main gateway to HubSpot's support services. Click on the question mark icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find a variety of support options available to you. From quick guides to in-depth documentation, anything you're curious about can likely be researched here. For questions that require more specific assistance or nuances specific to your account, you'll want to take advantage of the Ask a Question feature. Click on that option in the support drop-down. After selecting Ask a Question, you'll be promptly redirected to the support inbox. This inbox is where you can submit your queries or issues directly to HubSpot's customer support team. You have the option to articulate your problem in detail, attach screenshots or documents that might help the support team understand your issue better. The support team is always ready to help you navigate through any hiccups you encounter on your HubSpot journey. That's all it takes to access support in HubSpot. Make sure to take full advantage of these resources anytime you have questions or run into difficulties. Whether you're just starting out or you've been using HubSpot for a while, knowing how to effectively leverage the support features can make a significant difference in your overall experience. Thanks for watching and good luck with your HubSpot journey.